on this is that gas tank in or off of that there 1937 Maytag that we're working on. And the hole yonder, four of them in the bottom of the tank, as opposed to the other tank that's got the ears that comes out on it, or either the long base that comes way up here. And also the hanging version, cast iron and aluminum. And I'll tell you what, been spending some time with the bandsaw over there, that Harbor Freight 4x6. Been spending some time with it. And this is what I done already went and cut up yonder. These right here are, these right here are 22 inches long. The sidewall is 1.5 inches. Each one. I'm building carts is what it is. I'm going to build one cart for this engine. So while I was at it, I thought I'd just go ahead and build 3. I'm going to set this aside. We're going to concentrate on 1. And I done already sawed it off yonder. And done already put that 45 on there. Now I'm going to get out there with the hand grinder and round off all of them corners right there real neat and everything. And get all of this mill slag off of here. Oh, we ain't halfway done yet. And as the big carts, you have to have a pad to go underneath the bottom in order to get your swivel. We'll deal with that on the milling machine over there. Maybe even just a drill press. I don't think we'll get the milling machine, but anyway, that's the way that's going to work right there. At some point, draw out my bolt pattern, 4 holes. I'll mark that out and drill that before I assemble the before I weld everything up. On this particular one, I'm going to set the engine back a little bit and come up from the front right here with a little small cradle-like thing, just a U-bolt cut off. Come up there to hold the muffler. It's going to be a complete unit. Leave the muffler on it at all times. I did make, and I think I will use that design because you do need a muffler on a Maytag. That's one thing about a Maytag, you need a muffler and you can't get too much oil on one. Anytime you're building anything, especially a non-existent item, you need to draw you a blueprint. Just whatever works for you, get you something out there, get you some numbers to work by all means. You need some numbers. So what I've done, you can see yonder, I have done already cut that there. That's that angle iron right there is 1 inch by 1 inch by 1/8 inch thick. It's not the good stuff. What I'm doing now is laying out for the holes, going by the measurement there, and just kind of lining these up there. Get you some working distance in there. Put you some layout dial on yonder. Whatever kind you use there, you know, just get her done. So just kind of mark them just anywhere in the vicinity that you're going to be working with. It's better to err on way too much than it is a little bit too little. So we got that on yonder. Now the measurement there I got penciled out there is the measurement. The hole in the gas tank, the corner is rounding right there, so you can't get a measurement like this. But in order to know how far from the edge to drill your hole, just put you a straight object right up through there, measure from the center line to the hole, and as you can see, I done already marked off the center line of all of these just by going like this right here, center of that hole, center, put a pencil mark, and then come over here, go this way. It's just country logic. Engineering here in the backyard shop. To find where that hole goes, you put that up there like that, and then you measure from the center of that hole over to your metal. In this instance right here, the center line of that hole is 5/8. Well, I have done already discovered if I mark that hole at 5/8, it will and what I want to do is this. When I get done with this, I want that to be perfectly straight. Right here like that, I want that to be straight. If you drill that hole at 5/8, then it will be out like that. It'll be too close to this edge. Just by experience, I have discovered that if I mark that hole off yonder, and I've done already what I've done to bring it up to date, is I took the ruler from this here down to yonder, and it ain't hardly, it's like the measurement, if I can call it out loud to you, is 4 7/8 and a little bit. And down on this end, it's 4 7/8 and a little bit. So that means that we got the rails center lined, centered up on the gas tank. Then what I did is right there my pencil mark is, you can't see it on the gas tank, it's there. And I just transferred that mark to the piece of metal, and then I put the square on it, penciled it off on both sides. So now I know where the hole's supposed to go. So easy this is. Now the next measurement I need is the 1/2 inch from the edge. The 1/2 inch would be, you put that right up there like that, and put the little cross mark. Okay, now we have got that at 1/2 inch, and then you mark. You scribe that to for all 4 holes. It will be equally. And I tell you what, just to be honest with you, I did my drill bit kind of went to the drill bit's one of those that's been sharpened here in the shop, and it kind of goes a little bit crooked. So I did have to eglate that one right there and this one in order to get my levelness on the back right there. But anyways, that's the way that fits. Then this piece here will go in here. This piece will go in here. That's the cross runners. The way that you confirm that your measurements was correct is this measurement right here. That's well, you see I've got it turned around backwards, but it don't make no difference. That's 1 1/8 and a little bit. It's not a 1/16, it's about halfway in between yonder. It's irrelevant to what the number is. It's the length that we're concerned with, and you can see where that's set at. This ruler could have no numbers on it whatsoever, and it'd be totally accurate. We're not dealing with the numbers. Just forget about the numbers. Show you how to do it with a stick. Picture this as a stick. So anyways, that right there is, it's flush right there. It's dead level with the end of that. Okay, you bring that over on this side and put it right up yonder. And can you see that right there? It's dead level with that side right here. We don't even have to put the square on this one. This one will go right in there. This one will go right in there. When you line this up here, this up here, this up here, we're ready for the C-clamps now. Now we'll try again. Okay, see, that brought it into true. And that stayed the same. You know, that's all it is when you can build something in place. This is a good way to construct it. But as you can see, we've got two cart frames completed. The next project will be getting the wheels on yonder.